What's up with YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be for the cleaners, okay? For the neat freak girlies, okay? We've been out of town. When we came back, I hopped into work. I've been busy because, like I said, these past few videos, like, I am behind. Well, I was. I'm caught up now. The crib is left in shambles now. Today's the day. I have the time, and we're gonna do some real deep cleaning, real good organizing. These are the clothes that haven't been washed. This is the bathroom. And the bathroom isn't that bad. It's just mostly needing organization.
I got some water.
Pause.
A little.
Pause, Miss Rachel, for a minute. The room is one of the worst, if not the worst. These are clean clothes that I have to put up. The dresser is a mess. The drawers don't need organizing, but this part is organizing. And then, hold on, Bubba. And then there's just like stuff everywhere. And I need to wash our sheets. Closet ain't bad because I cleaned all of this up before we left. The boys' bathroom ain't bad at all. The laundry room, we got clothes that just needs to be put up. I don't even know if these are clean or not. Kitchen is probably the worst. Trash everywhere. This trash is from my mom just running around and we never picked it up. Dishes stacked up. Dishwasher needs to be unloaded. And this stove, y'all, every time we cook, it's like it smokes up real bad and it smells like something is burning even when something is not burning. And we learned this because it's still stuff in the burner. So I want to clean those out. This is the living room, not that bad. But the boys' room looked like a tornado went through it, okay? And this is where the laundry bin is at because they have stuff that I need to put up. It's not horrid or nothing, but it's still pretty bad. And I don't have 50 million cleaning gadgets nor cleaning sprays and all that extra stuff. I just got regular stuff, y'all, so please don't expect nothing drastic. This is more so of a realistic cleaning vlog and not super duper drawn out. But I do want to do some deep cleaning and I do want to organize a lot, okay? Do some decluttering around here, okay? So let's get to it.
This verse starts as my snipers hit their marks and your guards fall down from a rifle to the heart like clap, clap, let them fall slow. I know you had your fears, you can let them all go. And most women are motivated, so I act accordingly. But this is so refreshing that it means a little more to me. Dedicating time when I really can't afford to be. I'll provide protection if you open up the door for me. Couple stares, couple texts, couple dates, couple I think that we're ready, couple I think we should wait. Are we acting like a couple? I'm just trying to get it straight. Cause I'm over here convinced that it's too early for mistakes. And then
You had to change up the game. Oh, the weather is not the same. Now there's only cloudy days. Can't stand the rain in July. There were fireworks exploding, but now it's getting colder. The leaves are turning colors. Why? It's just not our season. The one and only reason. Baby, oh, our summer turned into fall.
damn, tell me where did all the magic go? I followed the rules and told you everything you had to know. Had you over every night was passionate. Plus you met my mother even if it was an accident. I'm confused, tell me where we go wrong. I was sure that I would be with you for so long. I was planning on this being something worth mentioning. Energy invested in someone I saw potential in. Who killed chivalry? They need to get their sentence in. Meanwhile we arguing and I can't get a sentence in. And just as I predicted, here we go again. They always say the hottest love has the coldest end.
exploding, but now it's getting colder. The leaves are turning colors. Why? It's just not our season. The one and only reason. Baby, oh, summer turned into fall. See, it's funny 'cause I never thought this would end. But then the season changed.
You were my girl. Should've made you my wife. Should've did everything to make you happy, baby. Oh, yeah.
For springtime,
That's right.
and I will turn into a butterfly. I will spread my wings and fly. And I'm too fly for the shit. I am Japanese.
Talking the things that you say, where they make you feel alright. And I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine, baby girl. I see you, wanna ride you like a bicycle, and you they blow my mind from my mind ago. And I no go lie, you light up my life. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby, she don't want the Gucci vibe or the Fendi, 'cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh Lord, and when she tell me my love is your love, baby, if my wood is running, baby, she gon' save me, 'cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh Lord, girl, your love is crazy, girl, your love is crazy. You amaze me, you amaze me. Other girls, them only really want to play me, but when I day with you, I realize love don't cost a dime. Love is crazy, you amaze me, you amaze me. All the other girls, they really want to play
You
me,
just sat on
but when I
me
day
and
with
got
you,
Hulu on me.
love don't cost a dime.
Really?
My baby love don't cost a dime. My baby love don't cost a dime.
This one I bet you me, I no get time, da. Dada cover my face, calling me da. Biggie man, wait to be da. What's it going? G-Wagon, all depends. They get them, ride the whip. I know people die for nothing. What's it going? G-Wagon, all depends. They get them, ride the whip. I know people die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commendate. So anything when they do, I they try to do plenty survive with face, just to make your money. But my people then go say I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want payment, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Let me tell you, what's it called? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, they get them, ride the whip, I know people die for nothing. What's it called? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, they get them, ride the whip, I know people. Different things then happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Roll like the ocean, port I'm paddling. Cherishing a fella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen trains. When it comes to money, I they concentrate. Look at tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become, you should not be head of state. But my people then go say, I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want payment, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it going? G-Wagon, all the Bentley, they get them, ride the whip. I know it, die for nothing. What you gon' do? She walk on her, all you been through. They got it, ride the whip. I know it, die for nothing. Unjust, you good. It's done just, you good. It's done just, yeah, done just, yeah. Just for the record. Just for the record. If they like the job at the tomato, then no go catch up. Oh, yeah, come bear no. But so play me a mouth. You go do you one time, I'll be for one time, I'm not to buy mess up. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man no they walk up, man no be God up. Make them they talk up, I so they fly like helicopter. Nobody girls have got an inshallah with them over. Question, but they no get the answer. 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 Answer, bossa, we do. There go sing a salad when you they move. See green light when I look at you.
Always do your room last so you won't be tempted to lay in bed when you get tired of cleaning. It's hard for me to clean my room because it's my space. I'm tired. As long as the crib clean, I'm satisfied. But piling everything on my bed and working on it last with something to watch always gets me through.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast. You go out for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh. I'm a mind that's you can talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that careful. That the baba fry, oh. My, oh. Don't cry, oh. I need to go and shadow. 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 I did what I got when they kill Sovoma. I did try to buy moto, Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for like Ibona. Now so much you remain with that pain all over. My feelings they swing like Django Lover. Feelings they swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fendi suit. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fendi suit. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life. You will be my wife and we'll get it right. Young cast, last. Now everybody go chop. I need to go and shadow. 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 I need to go and shadow.